And I think we just got done converting between degrees and radians, is that correct? So now I'm going to fill in this chart. Now, if you do have colored pencils or different colored pens or whatever, now's a good time to bust them out. If you ever want an excuse to buy colored pencils or different colored pens, this section and the next one are great reasons to do that. I'm going to first write our quadrantal angles. So we have 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, that got cut off there. And remember, this is 360. And then next to it, I'm going to write the radians. So this is 0 radians, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and then also 2 pi. How do I know those are radians?
Because you don't have any symbols to indicate what it is, so it's a degree radian.
There you go. There's no degree symbol, and by context, it's an angle measurement, so it must be radian. Good. Okay. The first family we talked about was our 45 degrees. So we already got the blue ones, which are already multiples of 45. But we're going to add some more in. 45 degrees, as we talked about earlier, is pi over 4. 135 degrees is 3 pi over 4. 225 degrees is 5 pi over 4. Forgot my degree symbol. And 315 degrees is 7 pi over 4. So there is a correlation, a way we can count with the blue and the purple there. We don't know what that is just yet, but it's coming up. It is 3 pi over 4. It got a little squishy there. What was that? It is 5 pi over 4. 3, 5, and 10% better. Oh, degree symbol. And then our 30s and 60s are also in one family. So 30 degrees, that's pi over 6. 60 degrees, pi over 3. And remember, the way we're getting going from degrees to radians or vice versa is where you multiply by 180 over pi or pi over 180. As we did last class. 120 degrees is 2 pi over 3. 150 degrees is 5 pi over 6. 210 degrees is 7 pi over 6. (240 degrees is 4 pi over 3. .300 degrees is 5 pi over 3. And lastly, 330 degrees is 11 pi over 6. So we're almost to this big thing called the unit circle, which we're going to get to not today, I know everyone's sad, but on Thursday. So we have a little bit more of this picture to fill in. That's comment number 1. Comment number 2, since the blue numbers, their multiples of 90, are also multiples of 30, there's a relationship between the orange numbers and the blue numbers as far as how you can count. So there is a shortcut to memorizing this. We're not there yet. But again, this will all have to be memorized.